Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon not launching, crashing at startup, freezing, or failing to open on PC. Follow these solutions one by one until the game starts working properly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify the integrity of game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library, locate Meccha Chameleon, right-click on the game and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Now select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your installation and automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the process to complete. Once it's finished, launch the game and check if the issue has been resolved. Solution 2. If the problem persists, go back to Steam. Right-click Meccha Chameleon and select Properties. Open Installed Files, then click Browse. This will open the game installation folder. Locate penguinhotel.exe, right-click the file, and select Properties Open, the Compatibility tab. Enable. Run this program as an administrator, disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, and then OK. Now launch the game. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search for the latest available driver and install it. Wait for the update to finish. Solution 4. Update drivers through NVIDIA app. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Click on the Drivers tab. Now select Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if prompted. Solution 5. Install the latest Visual C++ redistributables. Open the link provided in the description of this video. Scroll down until you find the downloads for vc_redis.x86 and vc_redis.x64. Download both files. Once the downloads are complete, locate vc_redis.x64. Double-click the file. Click Yes. Accept the license terms. Wait for the installation to complete. Click Close. Do not restart your computer yet. Now double-click vc_redis.x86. Click Yes. Accept the license terms. Wait for the installation to finish. Once both packages have been installed successfully, restart your PC. After restarting your computer, launch Meccha Chameleon again. The game should now launch correctly without crashing or closing unexpectedly. Meccha Chameleon should now open and run normally on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PC gaming fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.